Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to remove the cover and install the battery and turn on your TRX Defender. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So I have this TRX 4 Land Rover Defender model, and this is pretty sweet. You can see all the lights on right now. And it's very easy to remove the cover, install the battery, and turn on the RC car. Now on top of the hood, you'll notice there is a couple different pins we want to go ahead and remove. Then also, if we move it forward a little bit, there's more pins on the back of it too. So let's take out these pins and then the pins on the hood as well. And we can easily lift up the cover. So these pins will just look like this. So these are removed. Now let's get the hood. So here's the two pins from the hood. And these just slide right off, and it's not very difficult. Alright, so now that I have those removed, I can lift up with the cover here, and it should just pop off. The lights are connected to this board right here, this little power unit, and I can disconnect the lights. So now that I have my body disconnected, I'm going to move this to the side for the time being. And you can see my battery is currently connected, but I have a couple different batteries. I have this battery right here, which is a LiPo 2-cell 7600. Then also this 3-cell 5000 LiPo battery. And I use the Traxxas Easy Peak LiPo fast charger, and this typically takes like an hour to charge my battery. And since I'm using these LiPo batteries, it automatically detects it. And then press charge right here, and then I'm all set. Now where the battery sits, you can put in a couple different versions of batteries depending on their size. There's a little compartment right here where you can put a smaller battery for a nice easy flush fit. Now you can see the different batteries I have don't necessarily fit in here relatively well, but they definitely do fit when you put the cover on here and lock it in. So this one, there's a gap on the front here, that's about an inch. And then my larger battery is my 2-cell 7600. This one will fill the entire battery bay here. So this one fits in, so put your battery in. Then take this little piece here and snap it on just like that, and it'll keep your battery in place and it shouldn't pop off on you. And then you want to go ahead and connect the pins here on the side. So you'll notice nothing lights up right away. On the side here, it says XL 5HV Easy Set. So this little blue button right here, hold this down, and this will connect. Then on your remote, make sure your remote is turned on as well. So move this to the on position, and it should say on. Alright, so I can see it's lit up, and I have my remote on, it's already connected. And as soon as I press go now, it should move forward and back. Okay. So that's all set. Now when you're connecting your hood, you can see the little pins right here that you want to connect it to. So I typically just leave this connected when I take out my battery. So here is the little blue piece connected to your lights. There's two pins. Just connect it to this area right here, and you can see it's lighting up in the background, and there's the light bar, so it's pretty sweet. So putting it on the top here is relatively easy as well, but the key is to put on the back first and then slide it to the front. So let's align it in the back here, and I can see it coming up. Now let's align the front. Alright, so that's aligned. And it's aligned on the sides as well. Now let's put our pins back in. And this looks pretty sweet with the light bar on. I really like that attachment on there. So go ahead and look at extra attachments for lighting, etc. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for tech up videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.